Dagat.
Dagat.
Dayuhin ng surfers. Maraming
San Juan Beach.
Parang surf daw. Maraming no?
maraming party kit.
Wow! Are you the servers? Ang gagwapo naman nila.
Ilang plato kailangan?
Wow! We're now in San Juan. San Juan. Oh no! Hi Tyler, we're now in San Juan. Come Tyler. See the beach, come on. Oh no. We're now in San Juan. Wow! What's that, anak?
What's wrong with beach?
That's a beach. Are you happy to see the beach?
Yeah.
Yes!
Bye beach.
Ha? By beach, kakapunta pa nga lang natin, by beach na.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, anak. You might fall. Yay! Kaya mo pala, anak, oh.
Saan daw kayo?
Oo nga.
You want again? Again?
Yes!
Again, one.
Yay! Talay dark. Ah, stop. Slide na. Okay. One more time, Kuya Dark. One more time.
Sabay daw kayo. Hindi naman pala siya makukulog. Lalayo na ako.
Okay.
Pababa lang?
Oo.
Saan?
Ano?
Ay, alam boss?
Sige.
Malambot ba dyan?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Count, count.
1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Ini, kaya nung sabi mong San Juan, gusto ko na din kasi hindi ba, hindi pa ako nakapunta.
I-suggest to Burgos. Eh, nakakami ni Burgos. Parang
Burgos? Oh, saan yun? Malayo din yun eh.
may jet pool. Malayo.
Oo, malayo yun.
Ito kasi mas accessible to
Mm.
MacArthur Highway.
At saka mas malapit.
Diretso ka doon sa taas.
Kanina yung travel time.
Oh, come here, anak.
Traffic eh.
Kuya Dirk! Kuya Dirk! Okay, ay. Ah. Ready?
Kaya to?
Oo. Set. Go! Wow!
Kuya.
Kuya daw.
Talaga maiinis yan.
Go. You gotta slide.
Careful there.
Where's Dirk?
Safe ka lang.
Dito lang.
Oo, safe.
Safe kasi merong takip.
Oo. Ang hindi lang safe yun, yung...
Katay lagi yan.
Oo. Pero pag kay Dirk, kayang-kaya niya.
Safe mo dun naman.
Oo.
Check ko na ba't may input baka available.